Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a wolf in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper and let's go. Step 1. Outline the shape. Begin by sketching a large oval for the wolf's body and a smaller circle for its head. Use light pressure on your pencil so you can easily adjust the shapes later. This step helps you establish the wolf's overall shape and size on the paper. Step 2. Proportion guidelines. Next, draw a vertical line through the center of the head circle and a horizontal line across it. These lines will help you place the wolf's features symmetrically. Keep your pencil strokes light because these lines are just guides that will be erased later. Step 3. Refine the outline. Now refine the wolf's outline by connecting the head circle and body oval with smooth, gentle curves. This is where you start to see the wolf's form taking shape. Keep your pencil strokes light and fluid to capture the natural curves of the wolf's body. Step 4. Place major features. Use the center lines to guide you in placing the wolf's eyes, nose, and mouth. The vertical line helps you align these features symmetrically, while the horizontal line indicates their level on the face. This step ensures that your wolf's face is well proportioned and realistic. Step 5. Add secondary details. Add the wolf's ears on top of the head circle, sketching triangles for their shape. Lightly indicate the fur texture along the body and draw the limbs using lines extending from the body oval. These details bring your wolf to life, giving it character and depth. Step 6. Finish with line weight. Finally, press harder with your pencil to darken the final outline and emphasize key features like the eyes and nose. This step adds contrast and clarity to your drawing, making your wolf stand out. Carefully go over the important lines to bring the whole drawing together. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn. Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.